What even is agile transformation? When we talk about agile, it really comes from systems thinking, systems dynamics, and what became lean theories. Now, these are all very well researched, they're reliable, we understand particularly how closed systems work. The way that transport systems, the way that traffic flows, all of those things are controlled through lean theory. Queuing theory, movement of goods, manufacturing, all of that is very, very well understood. And then what happened towards the last part of the 20th century is that we started getting much better research about psychology. And in fact, some of the great psychological experiments are now being questioned because you can't replicate them. So what happened is Agile really became a socio-technical revolution. And what we can say is that looking back on what Agile has done over the last 25 years is that it has transformed the way software has been developed. Because of course, Agile came from software engineering. It was software developers that formulated the principles and the values and then the practices of Agile. If we look at transformation in terms of Agile transformation, when an organization embarks on an agile transformation, they're recognizing that their current state, their current capabilities are not sufficient for the way they perceive the market heading. So agile transformation in this sense is a future-looking endeavor. And what we know, again, because we have better psychology, better research about how people in organizations work, is that transformation happens as a series of transitions from one state to another. And that only happens when you A, let go of the things that you did do, and B, you adopt new practices. Now that's not the same as replacing. It's not the same as I'm going to adopt Agile and get rid of waterfall, because actually that's not how it works. There's place for both. So agile transformation programs that succeed accommodate the transitions that organizations have to make. They allow the processes and the methods that have been very successful in building the organization, they allow those to be ended safely and for the people within that organization to develop new methods, perhaps using the inspiration from Agile and some of its principles, but also about being customer-led, about being psychologically safe, and also about being diverse. In other words, letting people use the skills that they've got to do the things that the organization wants them to do. And from this, although I'm uncomfortable with the word, we do arrive at the place where people say, look, agility is about a mindset, it's about a way of thinking.